Hello everyone, I am Kunal Sodi. I am the FMB faculty at M.A. Raghunatha Institute of Hotel Management and Research, Pune. In today's session, we are going to learn about water service practicals in a fine dining restaurant. So let's begin. So before I take you to through the session of practicals, today I will be introducing you to the two scenarios in a restaurant. So one scenario is where you and your family members are going to the restaurant. You are sitting and the waiter comes to you. He places the glasses, keeping his fingers dipped inside the glasses, and he places all over the front of the guest. Now, when he places the glasses, he pours the water through jug and he overfills the glass. Now, once you pick the glass to drink, you see that there are particles which are moving in the glasses. Now let's move to scenario 2. Now in scenario 2, again you and your family members are seated in a restaurant. The waiter comes to you and he places the glass hygienically by holding the glass from the base of the glass, and he places it very carefully in front of the guest. Now it is much obvious that as a guest you would like to be in a scenario 2. So let's learn professionally how to serve water in a fine dining restaurant, keeping in mind scenario 2. Before we take the service ahead, first we will have the guest order. Okay, now how the guest order is to be taken. Firstly, we need to have the preference of the guest. If the guest preference are whether they want to have a regular water or they want to have a mineral water. Either of these, whatever they have, then the next preference is to be asked is whether they want to have chilled water or room temperature water. Let us have a look at what all equipment is required for service of water. Firstly, we need a water jug filled with water. We need a water bottle. We need a serviette, and we need a water glass. For bottle service, the bottle has to be placed on the serviette. It has to be placed in front of the guest. The guest has to approve the brand what he has ordered. The brand has to be in the front, and the temperature has to be approved by the guest. The guest approves the brand and the temperature. Once he approves, you can open the seal of the bottle. Okay, and gently, from keeping your right leg front, gently pour the water into the glass, leaving 1 inch from the rim. Close the bottle and keep the bottle in front of the guest. In case of regular water, let's serve the regular water. Now keep the serviette below the jug. Approach the guest from the right hand side always. Okay, keep your right leg front. Approach the guest and pour the water gently onto the glass. And lift the jug and just wipe the jug and move back. Now there are few guidelines which has to be kept in mind while serving the water. First one, always keep the glass which is spotless and clean. Do not use a stained glass or a chipped glass. Okay. Secondly, always place the glass on the right side of the guest, always on top of the right side of the guest, so that the water is served always from the right hand side, not from the left hand side, to avoid inconvenience for the guest. Thirdly, if the water jug or the water bottle is chilled, wipe the water bottle or jug so that the droplets do not fall onto the table or onto the guest. Keep distance from the guest. Do not go too close to the guest and make him or her uncomfortable. So with this, we complete today's water service. If you have any doubts or any comments, please put it on the comment box, and do like our channel and subscribe our channel.